Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and let me show you how to change speed of slow motion video recording at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera, one of them is slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can easily start recording this type of video by using center red shutter button. To change speed of slow motion, let's move to right corner button so we can get access to more options about video we can manage. Now let's focus on the second settings bar so we can pick the spectrum from 120 to 9020 fps. This is really wise choice and really advanced option. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.